Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be driving through New Kingston. We're actually driving from New Kingston to Liquanea. So we are on Knutsford Boulevard, and on the right you're going to find a lot of food places from Island Grill, Burger King, Pizza Hut, Starbucks, Tasty Patties, Juicy Patties. Basically every major fast food player in Jamaica or restaurant chain, you're going to find a location in New Kingston. And that's because New Kingston is a very busy place. It's where you find all the business places in Jamaica, from banks to insurance companies. This is where you find their head offices. So you have a lot of people working here. You have so many buildings. And actually, some of the tallest buildings in Jamaica are located in New Kingston. So you find at lunchtime, this is a very busy place. Okay, so we're on Knutsford Boulevard heading towards Trafalgar Road. We're passing over the intersection with Grenada Crescent now. So on the left is the Scotia Bank, on the right is the NCB branch. And those are some of the busiest branches. Like that branch over there is what they refer to as 127 Knutsford Boulevard for NCB. It's probably NCB's busiest branch. Same thing with Scotia Bank on the left. It's probably Scotia's busiest branch. That just gives you an idea of the kind of business that takes place in New Kingston. And there was a time where if you bank with the bank and your account was at this branch, you had to, and you wrote a check, the person would have to come to this branch to cash the check. But that was a long time ago. The systems have been upgraded now, and you can practically use any branch now. They're fully computerized. Alright, so we're on Trafalgar Road now. On the right, that's the Spanish Court Hotel. On the left is the British High Commission. And then you have a lot of business places on Trafalgar Road. It's a part of New Kingston. And then on the left now, if you turn up these roads, you're going to find that's Bmw Avenue on the left. You find a lot of apartments now. This is more, we're getting into the residential part of New Kingston. So on the left is Musgrave Avenue, on the right is Worthington, and straight ahead on the left, on the right, sorry, you can see the UCC group of companies, and that's UCC is a University of the Caribbean. I think it's the University of the Commonwealth Caribbean, and it's a university, as we said, and they have campuses all over Jamaica. They don't have one central campus like University of the West Indies or University of Technology. They started as like a business university, so their campuses are all over Jamaica. So at this intersection now, Trafalgar Road ends. If you turn left, you go onto Lady Musgrave Road. If you go straight across the light, you also go onto Lady Musgrave Road and would head towards Crossroads. You turn left here, you take Lady Musgrave Road up to the Liquanea area. Alright, on the right, that's the AC Hotel. And it's a very nice hotel. It's a new hotel, and it caters mostly to business travelers. Alright, we're going to turn left here and go on to Argyle Avenue and take a look at the residential part of New Kingston. So on the left is a apartment building. It's under construction, it's not finished yet. And in this area now you're going to find a lot of apartments, because with New Kingston just being probably a minute drive away, you find that a lot of persons live close to New Kingston. And also, a lot of these apartments are rented out or used as Airbnb. On the left is the Cambridge apartments. They are being built now, they're under construction. On the right, that's the Hampshire. Those are finished and rented out. Oh, yeah. So basically you can see how many apartments are here. And so many are being built. Even more are being built. That building straight ahead on the left, that's the Via Braemar. On the right that we're passing now, that the pink wall, that's the Argyle. And we are on Braemar Avenue now. Straight ahead, that's the Cambridge. That's under construction. On the right, that's another complex under construction. If anybody knows the name of this complex, there is no sign up. You can leave a message in the comment section. It will be good to know. Okay, straight ahead on the right now is the Bmw Dealership. They actually are on the same property as the AC Hotel. They call it the ATL Autobahn. You have the BMW dealership and the Mini dealership over there. And we're at the intersection with Argyle Avenue and Lady Musgrave Road. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.